everyone, it's Audrey McDonald from songsfromasuitcase.com, and I am in Phuket, Thailand, actually on vacation, but I had to take some time out and teach you how to sing Sucker by Jonas Brothers. I actually really like this song. Let's get to work. So the main vowels that we're going to be opening up on are ah and eh. Make sure that your mouth is like totally open when you're making these vowel sounds. Ah, eh, because it's gonna open up the sound. We're gonna hyper focus on that vowel. And of course, opening your mouth is gonna make your sound that much better. So let's go over this. We go together better than birds of a feather, you and me. We change the weather, yeah. I'm feeling heat in December when you're around me. Now, if you're already like, I can't catch up with any of this that's going on, don't worry. I have a cheat sheet. Just go to vocalfreebies.com, click on cheat sheets, and download all of the cheat sheets that I've made for all of the songs. Yes, I've done more than this one. On to the pre-chorus. This part, they kind of hit every single word hard and short. So we want to really hit each syllable, bam, 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 nice and short and on point. And then I want you to open up on the last word. That's going to create this dimension of tension, 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 and then release. So I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. Oh, sorry, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain, and baby, you know it's obvious. Now, on your little cheat sheet, there are some words that have more than one syllable, and I actually marked those down and broke them down for you. So print out that cheat sheet, follow along. On to the chorus. So we have, I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. Now, you've opened up on the vowels. We want to work on these high notes. Here's what I want you to do. On the part that says say the word and I'll go, that part, say the word, I want you to open up on that vowel and sit down into it just a little bit, just to get used to it. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. So anywhere blindly is also the other two words that I want you to sit down into, which has been marked and circled on here. And you're gonna do the same thing on I'm a sucker for you, yeah. Any road, sit down, you take, you know that you'll find me. No, sit down, find me. Your instinct is going to be to kick back and reach up. Say the word and I'll go, We do not want to do that. You want to sit down into those notes. Moving on. Now we're into like the actual chorus. Our high note goes, I'm a sucker for all. That's the high note there, right? Most of the time what happens is you'll delay and you'll build to it and you put all this tension, and then when you hit the ah part, it's just pushed and struggled and it's just no good. So what we're gonna do is you're going to prep and lift before the high note. So the I'm a sucker for, you're actually going to breathe in, and I want you to breathe in as if the air is hitting the roof of your mouth up here. And I want you to get kind of crazy face. I'm a sucker for, I want crazy face, I really do. And you're gonna lift your eyebrows, open up your eyes, breathe the air up into the roof of your mouth. I'm a sucker for, and you're thinking of those words as being the high notes. Since you're already here, the next note, what you're gonna do is open up on all, and sit down into that note. That's gonna pull your shoulders away from your neck, release everything, and allow the note to really kind of ground out and get some strength. So, lift, prep, I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you. Prep, and you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. I like that part. Verse 2. Don't complicate it. Yeah. because I know you and you know everything about me, I can't remember all of the nights I don't remember when you're around me. Now, if you're a little lost, that's because you didn't print out the cheat sheet. Go to vocalfreebies.com. I give you this for free. You print it out, you can follow along, and you'll be like, oh, I know what this crazy chick is talking about. Yes, okay. Rounding out and like sitting down and all this stuff. I got it. Moving on. Pre-chorus. Rinse and repeat, people. Rinse and repeat. Do the exact same thing that you did to the other pre-chorus, which is hitting each syllable short and hard, opening up on that last word of each phrase, which I boxed on here. On to the chorus, prepping, air lift, crazy face. Then we sit down into the high note, and guess what? We're doing it again. Chorus, hit each one short and hard, release at the end. I'm a sucker for you. We're done. If you haven't done it yet, please go to vocalfreebies.com, click on cheat sheets, download all my cheat sheets. You gain access to all of them totally for free. Print out my cheat sheets, follow along with this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe. I am traveling all over the world, breaking down songs, teaching you how to sing, and enjoying all of Asia for like a while. I will see you on the next song. Bye everyone. La la la.
So you want to sing better, huh? Get the same warm-ups I use every day. They're super simple and crazy effective. Oh, and they're free. Just go to freewarmups.com.